Tactical Arbitrage is hands down the best sourcing software when it comes to online arbitrage. Now, even if it's the best, most people that actually try the software actually stop using it really fast because they have a hard time getting results. In today's video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to actually get results when using Tactical Arbitrage. If you do not know me, my name is Mangunza. I'm helping you scale your Amazon business with videos right here on YouTube, 100% for free. If you need more help, there's a link in the description if you want to join my mentorship program. I have students reaching multiple $100,000 per month. Just sign up and you'll hear about all of them. Okay? Now, let's get into Tactical Arbitrage. So that is what the software looks like. Okay? Now, quite simple. If you do not understand how Tactical Arbitrage works, is pretty much a tool that allows you to scan a lot of websites online and find matches for products that are profitable on Amazon, right? So for example, let me actually open up the product search feature right there. And what we're not going to do is look at all the features today. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the easiest way to actually get results, right? So the easiest way to get results, pretty much, so you'll see, you can scan like any website, right? You have a ton of websites, right? Now, the issue that most people make with Tactical Arbitrage is that they will scan, like for example, Walmart.com, they would scan the whole website, right? Select everything, select like literally everything, scan the website. That's not how you're going to be successful, right? That's absolutely not how you are actually going to make money with Tactical Arbitrage. The way you are going to make money with Tactical Arbitrage is by being surgical with what you want to actually scan. You want to scan sales, you want to scan promotions, you want to scan places online where you can manufacture your margins a lot, right? So what we are going to do is we are going to use this, the source price adjustment. We are going to use three things, okay? Number two is debatable, whether you want to use it or not, but we are going to use it in that case. We are going to use store discounts, cashback, and gift cards, okay? But the first thing that we actually want to start with is we want to actually find a great promotion to actually scan, right? If you want to do this, you can use my target list, right? So you can get it at oalist.com every single day. You go to oalist, www.oalist.com. Every single day, my virtual assistant will send you the list of websites that we are sourcing. I have 4 VAs working on this full time. You see that there's one working on it right now, right? And it's just the list of all the promotions that are going on right now, right? So I'll look on mine. I have like the promotions today that we can scan on Tactical Arbitrage, right? And so what I'm going to do is, you know, if you don't have the targets, what you want to do, the first thing that you want to do is you actually want to go on a website like Top Cashback, right? And look at the trending website, right? Why is that? Because we want to find promotions. If a website is trending, there's a big chance that there's a promotion on this website, right? So Belk.com, or let's say PetSmart. PetSmart has 20% off. We're not going to scan PetSmart. We can scan Vidicast, right? Vidicast is still on Tactical Arbitrage. Let me check. Vidicast is still on Tactical Arbitrage. Here we go. So what we are going to do is we are going to look at how we can actually manufacture our margins. So we have 20% off select back to school breakfast. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Cashback Monitor, right? Cashback Monitor. Here we go. Cashback Monitor. How much cashback can I actually get? Right here. How much cashback can I get on Vidicast? Right? I can get as much as 4%. The most I can get is with Top Cashback. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go to Vidicast, right? And we'll still need to figure out if we can actually get discounted gift cards, right? But we're going to go here and wait, actually. So we have 20% off. Okay. Can we stack this with this? Maybe, maybe not. But like the thing is that, okay, so this promotion, we can get 30% off, right? So I'm going to scan this promotion, right? Boom, right there. I'm going to take the link and it's all the brands from Vidicast, right? We have 30% off. So boom, right here, here we go. 30% off on this, right? So what we're going to do, we are going to go down to store discount, 30%. We're going to get 4% cash back. Boom. There's no gift card on VitaCost, but the way you would check this out is by going to not cashback monitor, but either gift card wiki, not top cashback, I'm sorry, gift card wiki, right? You go to gift card wiki, you go to card beer, boom, and right here you will have a lot of gift cards, right? Not for VitaCost, so yeah, nothing for VitaCost, neither here. Yeah, we don't have gift cards, but like this is how you are going to fill this third field, right? So no gift card here, we're not going to use that, but then we can actually run that search, right? And here we go, the search is launched, and that's how easy it is, okay? So no, I'm not going to get this shown again. I'm going to go to my search history, right? And what I'm going to do is we're running tactical arbitrage search all the time, okay? So what I'm going to do, like I have the pro plan, so like I'm running 10 searches, right? I'm going to bump this up to the top, so it's going to start scanning right now, right? And that's literally what is going to make the difference when it comes to actually making money with tactical arbitrage. Don't scan the whole website. Get either my target list and scan the websites that are on the target list, right? On oilist.com, right here. Or find the sales that you are going to actually scan yourself, right? Either by going on top cashback or like whatever method you want to use, right? That's how easy it is to make money with tactical arbitrage. Scanning whole website is highly inefficient. That's why you fail with tactical arbitrage. You are spending too much time scanning for like little results. That's not how it works, okay? So I hope this was helpful. If it was, leave a like, do all that YouTube stuff, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. If you want more help, mangunza.com/apply for my mentorship program. I'll see you later.